Our guys were out and about, and they were in Coventry today taking some video. Look at, here's a nice time lapse happening. It was so warm today with the beautiful leaves changing. What a day we had out there, right?
It was even humid today, which I think caught a lot of people by surprise. You know, you put away the shorts and the t-shirts, and all of a sudden, what?
One more day.
And some people have already taken the ACs out of the windows already. And you'll be wanting that tonight, that's for sure.
Yeah.
A lot of mugginess. We'll see some patchy fog, and we stay in the 60s. Mind you, that's where we should be for a normal afternoon temperature. Take a look at the temperature trend. Normal is 63. That's where we are tonight for a low temperature. We'll be in the mid-70s with a lot of mugginess tomorrow on the shoreline. Inland flirts with 80 degrees. Then some heavy rain comes in for Thursday into early Friday. And then watch what happens for the weekend, the second half of the weekend. Yeah, there's autumn. That's November weather, temperatures in the mid-50s. We do not talk often about humidity and mugginess in mid-October, and a stretch of it today, tomorrow, and Thursday, all very uncomfortable levels of humidity. But once the rain pushes out of here early Friday, it's much drier, much more comfortable weather heading into the weekend. And I think we can put the ACs to rest for the season and worry about them again in 2015. Temperatures right now, 70 Durham, 71 in North Haven, Milford as well. Up in northeastern Connecticut, Danielson at 70. Out by southeastern Connecticut, Noank at 68, and it's 71 in North Stamford. All right, why all the mugginess? Here's a big storm system over the Great Lakes, the Midwest, and the Deep South. A south wind ahead of it, pumping in the heat and humidity, and that's why we're so mild, and that's why it's so muggy. Now, we've been keeping a watchful eye on this storm system as it slowly, and I mean ever slowly, moves its way in our direction. Some severe weather in the Deep South. That never makes it here, but the rain clearly does. It's scattered showers, not an all-day rain for Wednesday. It's plenty humid. We're not expecting any sunshine, but because of the wind gusting to 20 miles per hour from the south, that's how we get warm this time of year. It's not the sunshine. You have to blow in the warmth from where it's warm, and the faster the wind blows, the warmer it gets. Look at the rain, heavy at times Thursday during the morning commute. It's raining all afternoon long, all evening, and then finally by the early morning hours of Friday, the rain gets out of here. Here's what we're expecting from the rain impacts and the storm impacts. Flooding the highest threat, not only because of the heavy rain. Up to 2 to 3 inches may fall statewide. Remember, the wind will knock some of the leaves down, and that clogs gutters and drains. That adds to the flooding concern. So localized street flooding and some gusty winds to 30, 35, not out of the question, but that's not damaging wind. Once you get above 40, 45, that's when we start talking about some damage. That is not in the cards. Looks like everybody's at 72 on this map. Maybe I should play that number tonight. And you see, we're not going to drop a whole lot more from the low 70s down into the low to mid 60s. It's very muggy. Areas of fog, a breeze from the south at 5 to 10. Check out the temperatures tomorrow. 75, close to 80, despite no sunshine. It's the clouds, it's the wind, and it's plenty humid. And then it's all about some heavy rain on Thursday with temperatures still muggy near 70. We dry out for Friday and Saturday. Look at the weekend ahead. Low to mid 50s for highs. It's cool, it's blustery. We're talking 30s for lows. Probably some upper 20s in far northwestern and far northeastern Connecticut. Probably the coldest night we've seen so far this season.
Wow. So is Thursday going to be a washout?
All day it's going to pour. Absolutely pour.
The entire day?
You are not having after-school sports practices outside on Thursday.
Wow.
That's guaranteed.
You heard him. All right.
Guaranteed.
Thanks very much.
Guarantee it.